this is the look. I'm loving it. Welcome back to the Hair Obsessed Club. Today we are going to show you how to achieve a sleek look on natural 4C TWA hair. Before we get started, guys, I would love for you to like this video if you're into hair care videos. So let's get started. First, make sure to detangle your hair. I am using a water mixture. This bottle has glycerin, rosemary essential oil, tea tree essential oil, herbal oil mixed with a little leave-in conditioner, and I'm using that as my detangler. Make sure that you're starting off on freshly washed hair so that your hair lays flat. After washing and conditioning your hair, make sure to moisturize the hair thoroughly, since this style will last 3 to 4 days with this particular gel. Apply a leave-in conditioner to ensure that your hair is well hydrated, and make sure to seal in that moisture, since this gel is super drying on the hair and has alcohol in it. I don't recommend using this styling gel too often because of the ingredients. However, you get an amazing hold. Now it's time to apply your styling gel. Apply a generous amount of gel to the hair. When I say a generous amount, I mean a generous amount, focusing on the roots and the ends. This will help to define your curls or to make your hair appear to have waves and give your hair that sleek look. Next, before you use a brush, use your hands to guide to help you mold the hair to the desired style. Now use a hard bristle brush or a comb to gently smooth down the hair as much as you can. Make sure to brush or comb in the direction that you want the hair to lay. If you're still watching, let us know in the comments where you're watching us from. To add even more sleekness, you can use a silk or satin scarf or wrap your hair. This will help to lay your hair down and prevent frizz. Leave the headscarf on for 15 to 20 minutes or sit on a hooded dryer or sleep on it overnight. And so, let's see if this side part swoop slick look is working out. I'm curious to see how well it worked. But now I'm exactly 2 months and I just wanted to see how well the Gorilla Snot work, as well as to see if my hair has grown and how much growth I have. Okay. I can just see that this is not going to be a good look. I can just see this. What do I do now? Ooh. 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 Let me go this way, or should I go forward? Okay. Whoa. Okay, so just this section looks a bit weird, but other than that, this is the look. I'm loving it. And yes, I got some hair growth. I mean, I know it's not a lot because in the past I told you guys I have really slow hair growth, and you know, genetics plays a lot when it comes to hair growth, but your girl got some growth, okay? Exactly 8 weeks today, and I'm super excited. Just the simple regimen that I've been using has been working so far. Something that I would love to try though, because I've been sealing with castor oil as well as using a castor oil mix on my scalp. I'd love to start sealing my hair with grease for the next 8 weeks and see how my hair likes it, because what I find is that although I'm using the castor oil, my hair in about 4 days needs to be re-moisturized, or sometimes I would have to spritz my hair with my water mix. So I'm feeling really good about this, except for the little line that I have going on. It's looking good. So let me know what you guys think in the comments of how much my hair has grown. This is the simplest way I can tell. That is one of the reasons why I dyed my hair. I didn't like my hair looking black. I kind of looked like a boy. And having the dye, having my hair colored another color also helps me to see how much hair growth is coming in, which I love. So if you guys love this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.